Good day everyone. Learn how to update NVIDIA graphics card in a super easy way. So I'll tell you the best way to update your graphics driver, and you will always be able to update your graphics driver without any issues. So with just one step, you will be able to update. So let's say if you're using GeForce RTX 5060 Ti, this is the graphics. You can update any graphics, but let's say if you're using this, then you just need to open your browser first and type NVIDIA graphics driver. You just need to type these three words and you will find nvidia.com ENUS drivers. So we will click on that. I'll accept. Now, here the best part is either you can select the product category for the graphics, or you can directly search the product type or series. So in our case, we are using GeForce RTX, so we will take the whole thing and copy and paste it right there. Now with this, you will be able to use, if you have Windows 11, you can select that. If you're using Windows 10, you can select that. The moment you select it, it will ask you to click on find. And let's say if you do not know how to find which graphics driver you have, see, now we have got Windows 10 driver and we can download with the game ready NVIDIA Studio drivers, and we have more drivers. So let's say how you can identify your graphics by just doing a right click and go to the device manager. I'll maximize it, and here we have this display adapters. Now here I'm using the Intel Iris, but in your case you might be using NVIDIA, any other GeForce or any other graphics. You will find right there. All right, and once you find it, you can simply do a right click, go to properties, go to the driver section and see the date, the driver date, how old that driver is. And then go back to the site, as I said, and you can check the release date right there. Okay, so once you're done with the release date, like this is September, this is October, November. So you can go with the latest one and you can simply click on download or view, and you will be able to download and install it. You just need to click on next few times. It is very user friendly, and you can update your NVIDIA graphics card. This is the right method to check the date and download, manually. That's the best way. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section whether you are able to update your graphics driver or not. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.